Good evening and welcome back. Today was another good session where we traded long without much hassle, after a clear trend. So most of us were able to book out decent gains for the day. Moving on to the Bank Nifty setup for tomorrow, that is 28th April. Number one, pattern formations. So we do see multiple patterns on the screen. The one is the sort of steeply upward trending channel. Then we got the another upward trending channel. There's a breakout of downward sloping channel, and then we got the flag and pole pattern out here. For now, two critical things or two important things that we see. There was a retest of the breakout of this upward trending channel, which took place here, and then that it resumed the rally after that. So we are currently we currently have a breakout on flag and pole pattern, to which we are trading or trending around here. One thing which needs to be noted, or we need to be cautious about, Bank Nifty, though it is making a bit making rise, but it is quite attached to the support level of this upward trending channel, which is a bit risky, and we need to be a bit cautious about. If this is broken down, there are quite a high probability that it will again come back to retest the the breakout area of this upward channel, and it may further drag down. That is one of probability that I'm talking about. So it will be better if it gets detached to this support and makes a further rally or further rise quite confidently with high conviction. So this is the patterns that we have. That is what we just discussed. With respect to tomorrow's trade, where we are going to look for long or the short trades, we are currently at in between the OI support of 32,500 and of OI resistance of 33,000. So we have closed somewhere around 32,735 or 750, which is exactly in between this. So entering long after it opens, let's say if it opens at somewhere around 32,800 or 32,850, it will be a bit difficult to enter into long trade, because we know that 33,000 is going to act as an OI resistance. If it opens somewhere around, if it does attempts to break down and it opens somewhere around 32,600 or 650, the short trade cannot be triggered, because we know 32,500 is sort of an OI support. So based on the sentiments, based on the momentums, based on the reading, based on the OI change, we will have to take a call if we are going to make a long trade for tomorrow, or if we are going to enter into short trade tomorrow. Wherever it is trading, or wherever it is, the whichever way it is trading. It may happen that after it opens tomorrow, it may attempt to break out this resistance, which is at 32,900. It tries to test 33,000 OI support, but with any sort of reversal indication that we get in between these two levels, or rather the zone, we may attempt to enter into a risky short trade, considering that OI support may or may not be able to let Bank Nifty make further moves to the upward direction. So that can be one of probability. If it opens a bit with a gap down, and if it continues to trade somewhere around 32,500, there would be two reasons, or there would be 2 points that needs to be considered. That is, one is the breakdown of this upward trending channel and the testing of the OI support along with the support derived levels that we have here. So there are 2 to 3 multiple things which are sort of building importance out here. So if at all it breaks down this level, and if we happen to trade somewhere around 32,400 or 32,350 odd levels, that triggers a short trade. That would trigger a short trade. This is with respect to breakdown of the support. As I just told that if at all it tests between this support zone, or rather this resistance zone, and if it makes a bit of reversal, then we are going to enter in short trade. These are two short trade that we are talking about. But if at all it breaks out this quite decisively, if it continues to trade higher and above the levels of 33,150 or odd, that would be an indication that we have somehow crossed, breached, or passed the OI resistance at the moment. So we can enter into the long trade for the initial targets of 33,400 to 500 zone, okay, which is the next OI resistance. out here, if we are entering somewhere around 32,400 or 350 odd, the immediate target that you are going to look for is the immediate OI support, which is 32,000. Okay, now if it have a breakdown for tomorrow, it is certainly not going to stop or halt at 32,000 odd levels. Probably it will also test further levels of 31,600 or 550. Okay, so that's the setup for tomorrow with respect to Bank Nifty. Number 2, OI data. At 32,000 we got 10.45 lakh of a put short, which is pretty pretty strong at the moment. So if at all it makes a bit of gap down tomorrow, if at all we manage to enter into the short trade, out here we will have to be a bit cautious if it is going to further drag down on it, because 32,000 got more than a decent amount of put shots for it to hold any sort of fall that takes place. 32,500 got 6.5 lakh of put shots versus 2.5 lakh of call shots, which is sort of a moderate support to a tussle zone. Not really that strong, because we do have some bit of call shots out there, but comparatively it is strong compared to the call shots that we have. At 33,000 level we got 4.95 or rather 5 lakh of a call shots, which is sort of an okay resistance, not really strong resistance, because today is Tuesday. For it to turn out into a strong resistance, it should have been somewhere around 6.5 or 7.5 odd like of a call shot, then we could have termed it into a strong resistance. With respect to strikes, so I will not be able to discuss the strikes at the moment, because the setup for tomorrow does appears a bit complex. So it will certainly depend upon the levels we are opening with the after the pre-market session, with the momentum that we are getting into. If there is high aggressive momentum, if there is a weak momentum, that will decide what strike we need to choose. Okay, ideally we select the strikes which are within the day's target range. So that is one of the way where you can select the strikes, but ultimately we will be looking at the momentum, we will be looking at the opening levels, and then we will be deciding as to which strike we need to enter into. Trend for tomorrow, since we are currently trending and trading on the upward trending channel, which is though steeply upward trending channel, though we are able to, or we have been managing to trade longs on these days, whenever we are going to trade long, we have to be ultra cautious. Okay, we have to be ultra cautious. Though it is trending upward, we will trade longs. I'm not saying we will not be trading. We will be trading longs, but we will remain very cautious, because considering the overall trend of the Bank Nifty, this upward trend that we see may be just a retracement or a bounce. Okay, that is one of possibility. So it is better to remain skeptic and trade with cautions, rather getting overconfident and just trading the any way you want it to be. With respect to overall trend, it is sort of getting slightly neutral. Okay, I'm saying neutral because if you see this level, it is sort of an indication that it is attempting to break out. It has not broken out yet. It has not broken out yet. Rather, it is at one of the retracement levels, which is indicating the rally or rise that we are currently looking at to be a bounce, and not a reversal as of yet. So, as I say, we will be trading longs, but we will be remaining ultra cautious onto it. Okay, so that is the setup for Bank Nifty. Yeah, this is one of the key levels that it is attempting to break out today. So if at all it manages to trade above 33,000, then we are certainly going to look for the another 1,000 points rally on Bank Nifty, if at all it happens. Okay, moving on to the setup for Nifty. Same pattern formations and same trend is as we have seen on Bank Nifty is being replicated on Nifty as well. Same upward trending channel, same FMP pattern, which is currently we are trading above the breakout of the FMP pattern. So pretty similar things out here. If we are looking for long trade on Nifty for tomorrow, we got the immediate resistance at the level of 14,700. So now this is not only resistance, but this is OI resistance as well. Okay, we have closed the session at 14,653 or 650 odd. So it depends, if it just opens 25 points gap up or 20 points gap up, then it doesn't make sense to enter into long trade, because you know that just after 20 or 25 odd points you are going to face OI resistance. So we'll have to wait for any sort of retracement to be taking place, and then it is again making an upward move. Probably there we will be making an entry into Nifty, or if it manages to break out the OI resistance or the resistance level quite decisively, there we can decide to enter into long trades. Well, yes, or during the live sessions I do make entry even just below or while it is just trying to approach the OI resistance. That is based on the reading how aggressive or with what conviction the traders are participating or trading at the moment in the market. So that is another sort of a reading that one can make, which with practice and with experience you will be able to gauge as to the momentum is decent enough for you to expect that it will be able to break out the resistance, or it is not decent enough as of yet, and it might face the resistance and may reverse from that levels. Okay, so for tomorrow, if you are going to enter into long trades, let 14,720 or 25 let it breach, and then you can enter into long trades for the target of another 100 points, near about 14,830 odd. Depending upon the momentum and the way it trades, I may trigger the long trade somewhere around here as well. That we'll see tomorrow. With respect to short trade has to be entered below the breakdown of this upward trending channel, which is somewhere around 14,450 odd levels. Okay, if you enter into 14,450 odd levels, look for the immediate further targets of 100 or 80 odd points once you enter into it. So yeah, this is basically the setup for Nifty at the moment. Strikes to select, again depending upon the way it opens and all, I will be able to help you out with the strikes it opens. Otherwise you can trade with the strikes up to the indicative target levels on the screen that you see. Let us see overall trend on Nifty. Yeah, so overall trend on Nifty, as we see, there is a formation of the descending triangle pattern to which Nifty have attempted a breakout here, as we have seen for Bank Nifty. But there are two probabilities that Nifty may form a dual pattern out here. Both are sort of descending triangle pattern only. So I will remain skeptic unless and until it does not breaches 14,800 levels quite decisively. I will not be saying that we have a clear breakout on the charts on the pattern for Nifty. So let's wait and watch for it. So we covered so we covered Nifty setup as well. With respect to OI data, 14,600 got 21.5 lakh of a put short, which is pretty decent and strong support at the moment. 14,700 got 8 lakh of a put short versus 11.65 lakh of a call short, which is at the moment is moderate resistance, or it can turn into a tussle zone as well. 14,800 got 25 lakh of a call short, which will act as a strong resistance, not moderate resistance. Strong resistance. Okay, and with respect to trend for tomorrow, same as Bank Nifty, it has been trending up. Okay, but we will remain ultra cautious because we will remain a bit skeptic that considering this to be just sort of a retracement and not the reversal as of yet on the indices. Trend for short term, we will remain bearish and consider these all to be sort of retracement unless and until some key levels are there, which I will be uncovering in coming setups. Unless those levels are not breached, we will not be saying that we got the reversals onto the charts, and we can enter into into stocks or any sort of long position on in indices. And do refer to the handbook shared on the channel for key things to remember while you trade. And guys, please come on, please show some enthusiasm, some interest by liking, sharing and subscribing to the channel. Please let us take this a bit seriously, the way I take you all, and you all serious during the trading session, right? So for live trades, explanations and training, please join the Telegram channel. Link is shared in the description box for your reference. Also do subscribe to this YouTube channel for daily setups and updates further. Thank you all and see you tomorrow.